That's quite a bit to unroll, but I guess that's good because the palette is well protected. Oh, Tati. Wow, hey girl. Oh, I see glitter. I see pink. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, so I am super excited for today's video because I have some new makeup that I want to show you. Some of it is still in boxes. I wanted to wait and not touch it yet because I wanted to do an unboxing here with you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so before we get started, I did want to mention my lips. I know they are like quite overdrawn, and also the purple look that I did today, I don't know why, for some reason every time I try to do a purple look it ends up being pretty dark, like kind of vampy, so I just feel quite different today. But I still wanted to sit down and record this video because I got some new makeup from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got the new Amrezy palette. I actually got the PR box thing. I didn't get it in PR. That would be amazing. Oh my gosh, no. I actually bought it. They did have an option to buy the PR box. It comes with a mirror and the palette. I also got Tati's palette and the Blendiful, which just launched, so I'm super excited about that. And I got a few things from the drugstore, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the items from Tati. This is from Tati Beauty. I got it from her website, and I don't have scissors nearby, so I'm gonna have to use this. I really thought I did, but I guess not. But this works just fine to open up the package, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Oh, Tati. Yes. Look at her. Wow. You guys, she looks so beautiful. Yes, Tati. Oh my goodness. Her makeup is just like flawless. Her hair, everything. This is a beautiful woman. Oh my goodness. All right. Ooh, I think this is the Blendiful. All right, so let me put this down real quick. And okay, let's see what this one looks like. I am so intrigued by this product, you guys, because when I first saw her video about what she was launching, I wasn't too excited about it, but as she kept talking about it, I was like, ooh, that actually sounds really nice. So I will definitely be testing this out soon. Okay. I'm excited. So on the back, it says, no harsh lines, XO's Tati. Oh my goodness. She's awesome. I love her. Oh, you guys. Look how cute this is. Okay. This is super cute. It feels really, really soft. It does come with another one, but this is like the first one that was like, I don't know, near the top of the bag. But this is what the bag looks like. This says Tati Beauty. And then it's so cute, such a cute little heart. So she said this one was to apply whatever you want in like hard to reach areas. So that's really cool. And then, ooh, let's look at the big one. Wow, that is, that's pretty big. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. This is how big it is compared to my face. Same thing. This says Tati Beauty, and then this is the back. This is very soft. So this material is super soft. This is like really weird to me though, to think that you can do your foundation with these. I don't know. It just feels kind of weird. I feel like I should be cleaning something with this. But it does feel super, super soft. I am definitely intrigued. I think when I do a video with these, I will do one side with the beauty blender, like I usually apply my makeup, and then I will do the other side with these two and see how they perform. So, back to Miss Tati over here. Oh, I swear, she is so beautiful. Okay, so that's quite a bit to unroll, but I guess that's good because the palette is well protected. Okay, those were some lipsticks that just fell, so the palette is safe. I'm good. Alright, so here is the palette. This is actually bigger than I expected. For some reason, I expected this to be smaller, like maybe half this size. This is actually pretty big. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, this is this is not the inside yet, but this is very sleek. It looks very, like, I don't know, very professional. I like it. Alright. Ooh, okay, there is some glitter on it, but here is the palette itself. Again, very sleek and minimal. I really like that. So let's open it up. Oh, I just got a sneak peek, and oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. I feel like in person, it's just like, I don't know, it just kind of like, it left me quite a bit speechless, because I have seen pictures of this, I have seen videos, but these glitters, oh my goodness. And this one right here, wow, this is a gorgeous palette. Oh my gosh. Now how does the, oh, okay, I was trying to figure out how she did the names, but that's pretty cool. So this one is Memory, Ritual, Story, Soothe, Aura, and then Poet. But you get to choose from matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. So when you are trying to decide which shade to use, I guess, you would be like, okay, now I'm going into the shade Memory, I'm going into the matte one. Or you can say I'm going into the metallic shade of Memory. You know, I hope that makes sense, and hopefully I am correct, because I could just be totally making this up, but that's what, I guess that's what made sense to me. Alright, so this is the plastic that came with the palette. This is a huge mirror. Oh my goodness. Tati. Wow, hey girl. So, yeah, this is the package from Tati Beauty. So now we can move on to the package from Anastasia Beverly Hills, because I am so excited about the Amrezy collaboration. So, whew, all right, let's get started. So here is the package from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, okay. This is a bit hard to open, but I definitely want you guys to like see. Oh, I see glitter. I see pink. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I ordered something else besides this. But we're just gonna worry about that later, because this is what's important right now. All right, so oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful box. I am so happy that I was able to get one of these, because apparently they sold out pretty quick. I love pink. I definitely did my nails just because of this, because I knew this was coming, and I felt like I absolutely had to get into the Amrezy vibes. So yeah, that is why my nails are pink and just glittery and glamorous. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta find a way to open it up and that you guys can still see it. Oh, oh, I saw it on the, oh my gosh. I saw it on my little, what's it called? The monitor thingy, the little display on my camera. But oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know which one to like pick up first, but here is the mirror, and then here is the palette. I think we're gonna go ahead and get the mirror first. All right. Ooh, yes. I feel like I instantly feel like my confidence has boosted like 10 or 100 levels. Like I'm just like, you know, Barbie things, you know. Alright, so let me put this down so we can go ahead and get a look at the palette. And this might be a bit hard for me to get because of these nails. Oh, okay, we got the palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this box away. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side. So the packaging itself, let me just say, I absolutely love the packaging. I love pink. I love girly things. So I don't know, this might be my new favorite Anastasia palette. I do have some other ones, but I don't know, this might be my new favorite. So this is what the palette itself looks like. The packaging is just like the box, the big PR box that it came in. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, I love it. This is the back, just more pink glittery wonderfulness. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh. All right, let me find a way to hold it. Oh my goodness. You beautiful, beautiful thing. You guys, it's so gorgeous. I told myself that in 2020, I wasn't going to buy as many palettes as I did in 2019 because I bought quite a few. And so now I have a lot of palettes, but I think I just have a weakness for palettes. And then when I saw that Anastasia was collaborating with Amrezy, I just had to, like, that woman is so beautiful. Like, I admire her so much. She's like perfect. Like, she is absolutely gorgeous. Anything she wears looks good on her. Her makeup is flawless. She is just, wow. But yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to do some eye looks with this. This palette is so beautiful. I love the pop-up blue there, and then this pink, and oh my gosh, just all these shades are very beautiful. I love that you have neutrals with your pop of color. So yeah, you guys, this is what the Amrezy palette looks like. I am just like a little bit overwhelmed because both the Tati palette and this palette are just so beautiful to me, and I was very excited. Like, when I purchased them, I was just like, yes. I cannot wait to get those. But alright, guys, so moving on to some of the drugstore items that I got. I did get more e.l.f. items. So this is the e.l.f. matte putty primer. I did try out the luminous putty primer in a recent video, which is this one right here. This is the matte one, and I didn't really like this one very much. At first, I wasn't sure because I did need to like test it out first, but the fact that it had like shimmers in the primer definitely threw me off, and I felt like the original putty primer did a better job than this one. So we'll see how the matte one does. I'll probably be trying it out in a video very soon. And then also from e.l.f. I got the liquid glitter shadow. This one is in the shade, what shade is this in? Flirty Birdie. So I really wanted to get these the last time that I purchased some of the new makeup from the drugstore, but I wasn't able to get my hands on any of these. So when I saw them this time at Target, I definitely had to grab one, and the shade Flirty Birdie is the one that caught my attention the most. So I will definitely be testing this out as well. Alright, you guys, and you're not gonna believe this, but I got lashes and they're not from Shop Miss A. Like, who am I? I did mention that I wanted to get new lashes because all I use are the lashes from Shop Miss A because in my opinion they are good, they are affordable. So that is all I have used, probably all 2019. And one of you guys did leave a suggestion for me. I looked for the ones that you suggested. I took a screenshot. I don't remember the name of them right now, but I did take a screenshot of the comment so that I can go and look for them at the drugstore, but I couldn't find them, so I'll have to keep looking because I definitely want to try them out. And I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I don't know if this is like Eyelure or Eyelure. I don't know. I'm really bad at pronouncing things, but these looked pretty good. I think this is the same brand that has the magnetic lashes. I didn't want to go ahead and try those yet because I'm like slowly making my way into trying new lashes in general, so I didn't want to like jump straight in to the magnetic ones. But yeah, so these are just the regular kind that you put on with lash glue. It does have the lash glue included. And that is it, you guys. That is all of the new makeup that I have to show you today. I had a lot of fun doing the unboxing, so definitely let me know if that is something that you would like to see me do more often. But yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. If I could play some Nicki Minaj music for this, I would, but YouTube is mean, so I can't do that. But it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it.